Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. It's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Regarding the design changes, so there have been some design changes made by Samsung this year. If you see on my right, I have the Galaxy S10 Plus. So you have the power button on the right, and on the left you have the Bixby and you have the volume up and down button. And on the top you have the SIM tray and the secondary microphone. And here is the second speaker in the Galaxy S10 Plus. The secondary speaker over here with the USB Type-C and the 3.5mm headphone jack, which has been removed in Galaxy Note 10. Now in terms of design changes, comparison between both of them, on the Note 10 you have, on the right side there is no button placement. At the bottom you have the speaker and the main microphone and the S Pen slot. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack. Yeah, this is the new thing. On the left side you have the power button and the volume rockers. On the top you can see that you have the SIM card tray, the secondary microphone, and this is very interesting. This is the second speaker. Again, to enhance the sound quality, Samsung has given a dedicated speaker on the top. In this video we'll be comparing both the sound quality and see which one is better. I'm sure Samsung has done some changes. Also, there is a zoom in microphone below the camera. Now this will isolate the audio to only in the direction where you are zooming in the camera and pointing the camera. So this is an awesome feature. So you can zoom into any object and get the audio nearby the area or exact at the point of the area. For the sound quality, I will also enable the Dolby Studio. Both these smartphones has the dual front-firing speakers and both supports Dolby Atmos. So let's see which one sounds better and more crispier. We'll be playing the same music on both the devices and let's see which one sounds better. So the music is from no copyright sound because of the YouTube copyright policies. So let's start with the Note 10. Let me increase the volume. And now we will play the same video in the Galaxy S10 Plus, sorry. Now let's play from a distance. So now we will play the music from very close by to the camera to get the exact pitch of the sound. And the same on Galaxy S10 Plus. So guys, this was the comparison between Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy S10 Plus sound quality and the speaker test. Both of them are rocking a dual stereo speaker, but Galaxy Note 10 definitely has an edge. I must say the sound is much more louder on Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now let's check the display quality of both the phones. So when Galaxy S10 Plus was launched, it was one of the best displays in the market. Now, can Samsung undo themselves with Galaxy Note 10 Plus in terms of the display? Now, both have similar display in terms of the specifications, but definitely on Galaxy Note 10 Plus, first of all, the screen is much more bigger. That makes a huge difference. But there is a difference in the display of both the smartphones. The display on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and Note 10 is much more brighter than the Galaxy S10 Plus. So basically the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and Note 10 is using 1200 nits of brightness in comparison to Galaxy S10 Plus, which is using 800 nits of brightness. Again, I must say that on Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the video looks a little bit more crispier and a little bit more colorful, you can say. Much more brighter on Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now both the displays are on full brightness, but the Galaxy Note 10 Plus definitely looks a little bit more brighter compared to the S10 Plus, which is also holding its own in terms of the colors, but definitely the Note 10 display has slight edge, and even the viewing angles are amazing. Definitely the Galaxy Note 10 Plus display is a little bit more brighter. Comparing side by side, you can see the flowers are much more brighter. You can see all the details from the shadows, and definitely the sky, the water, the color a little bit pops out more, but in a more brighter manner. Both are on maximum brightness, but Note 10 display is much more brighter, and I must say it's slightly better than Galaxy S10 Plus. So this was the comparison of display, design and sound quality. So if you are using Galaxy S10 Plus and wants to upgrade, I hope this video will help you. And in general, if you just want to compare both these devices, there are a lot of other differences in camera and other departments, but in this video, I'm covering these 3 topics. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.